Welcome to my pond. So here I am with my new boat. I just bought it, and so I'm going to take it out for the first time. It's a pretty expensive boat, so it better be worth it. But since boating is a dangerous sport, gotta have my life jacket.
Safety first, right?
Yeah, definitely. All you kids watching out there, always remember your safety. Alright. So here I am with my boat. Cost me an arm and a leg, so, it's gotta be worth it. It's a 5-star, very classy boat. And here I go, testing it out for the first time.
Alright, so here we go.
Alright, to launch, I'm gonna require the assistance of my brother here. And so he's gonna push the boat into the water, and then I'm just gonna sail around the pond, alright?
Alright, that sounds like a solid plan.
It's a pretty solid plan if you ask me. Alright, let's go. My boat! My brand new boat! It didn't work! It didn't work! This is embarrassing.